Goa is having so much of surplus power, but distribution of power जायना. Same problem with water. उदकाकूय same problem. North Goa coastal belt म्हणटा ते अंजुना वागातोर शापोरा including Saligaon and including Kalangut Kandolim and Arpora Nagua coastal belt and Mapsa city is not having water. म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी हे जे इंजिनियर्स काम करतात ते सारखे फीडबॅक दिना गव्हर्नमेंटाक की बाबा आमकां अपग्रेडेशन करपाक जाय. ते आता टेक्नॉलॉजी घेऊन बोलल्या व ते पायपलाईन घेऊन बोलल्या 1980ची 1970 हांव जाल्लो तेन्ना 40 वर्सां जाले हे गजालींक सगळ्या. 40 वर्सां पयलीं जी सबस्टेशन आहली तेच सबस्टेशनाक कितें पेंट सो मारता तेच आदल्यो लायनी जे कोलमेल्ल्यो आहा त्योच दवरूंक सोदता. दे डोंट वॉन्ट टू वर्क बट दे वॉन्ट देयर सॅलरी इन टायम. आयज खंय तरी चिमटो आयज काडपाची गरज आहा हे सगळ्यांक. सगळे इंजिनियर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट आणि सगळे PWDचे तांकां टायट करपाची गरज आहा. हे टायट जर तर करिना हे काम कांयच जावपाचें ना.
मिनिस्टर परफॉर्म करिना PWD.
It's not a question of performance. It's a question whether you are ready to revamp your department. आयज जर आमी सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट प्लांट घातला कालांगुटान ताका ओपोजूय आहले बट यू हॅव टू गो अहेड. यू हॅव टू डू इट. वॉट यू हॅव टू डू यू हॅव टू डू. तू आता 40 वर्सां पयलीं जितके तुजें पॉप्युलेशन आहलें तेच पॉप्युलेशनाक उदक सप्लाय करता. आयज कितले बिल्डिंगी येयल्यो कितले हॉटेलां जालीं खंय आहा ते तुजी. वॉट इज युअर लायन ऑफ एक्शन. सीएमाक सांगला आयज आय सेड देर इज नो लायन ऑफ एक्शन. एवरीबडी इज टॉकिंग नोबडी इज डिलिव्हरिंग. यू नीड टू लुक इन टू दिस. No, this is the main department. Water, electricity. उदक नाल्यार रावंक जायना, लायट ना जाल्यार रावंक जायना. हे दोन वस्तू तरी पयले सारखे दिवपाक जाय. आनी चीफ मिनिस्टराक सगळे 30 आमदारांनी तितून मिटिंगेक सांगला हे दोन डिपार्टमेंटाक सारखे करा म्हणून. आनी रोड्स तेन्ना पॉट होल आहले म्हणून आतां पॉट होल काडीत आहा. रोड्स आर गेटिंग रिपेअर्ड बट उदक आनी लायट आमचे वाटेन तरी ना. कालांगुटाचे सोडूनच घाल. आयज अंजुना शिवोले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी या आमची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी दॅट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी इज ग्रोईंग इन बीग दिस थिंग वे दॅट आरंबोल केरी म्हणजे मांद्रे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी इट्स ग्रोईंग लायक अ टुरिझम हब.
ऑफिसर जबाबदार म्हणटा.
ऑफिसरांनी इतली वर्सां करूंक ना. दे हॅड टू गिव्ह फायल्स टू द डिपार्टमेंट्स which they have not given to revive this, to bring in new infrastructure. Who has the infrastructure? I can't see any infrastructure. Then why we are not having proper electricity in Kalangut? Why we are having every day 8 hours no electricity? Not only here, Anjana also same, Bagatar also same, Shapara also same, Shikere same, Saligaon there is a problem, Arpora Nagwa there is a problem, Mapsa there is a problem. Tu Mapshekaram also ni sir, udak ahale. They सांगतेले तुमकां. So this is the problem.
So what did the CM say?
CM said we have to do it. So I will personally see that all these files are moved. आणि उपाय ना ताका.
You're not blaming the
Part
ministers.
see. आता हे मिनिस्टर आत्ता जाल्या तांकां ब्लेम करून कितें करूया. You look at the line from 1970 चे उलयता. 1970 till today what is the infrastructure improvement in all these departments? कांयच ना. ती पायपलायन आधी घातलेली तीच आहा. तेच पायपलायनीसून उदक वयता. खाली डिस्ट्रीब्युशन लायन तेणी दुसरे घातले आसतले. आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द मेन पायपलायन. सो तितलेच उदक येतले. जे लोक वाडल्या पळय तांकां उदक खंयचे वयतले. सो हे प्रॉब्लम आहा लायटीचे उदकाचे मोठे प्रॉब्लम आहा गोंयांत. हे सॉल्व करपाची गरज आहा. आनी म्हाका दिसता आमी सगळे जाण वांगडा काम करीत आनी इवन इफ देर इज प्रॉब्लम ऑफ मनी NABARD is ready to give loans for this type of projects because they know money is coming from the people. When people pay the bills, the money can be paid. It's a question of 5 years. 5 वर्सां लागता फारीक करपाक.
5 वर्सांनी
जे तूं आयज इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करता 5 वर्सांनी रिकवरी जाता.
एडिशनल चार्ज करून लोकांक.
ना एडिशनल चार्ज करपाची गरज. सेम मनी सेम मनी. बट हे जावपाक जाय. मोठे प्रश्न
जे आशिल्ले बरें दिसलें की आमची कोमिदाद ऑफ कालांगूट आमचो एंटनी आनी आमचो पिरीस बाबान आज म्हाका एक लेटर दिला फॉर कन्सेंट ऑन द प्रायस विच इज एग्रीड फॉर 2000 rupees. So a long pending issue which they were trying to settle because originally we were under the impression that we required 11,000. Then we reduced as per their demand to 5,000. सो विदीन 5000 लँडा भितर आमी तो कलांगूट सबस्टेशन आमी उबें करता आनी तेजो खातीर जे एंटनी आनी आमचे प्रिन्स बाबान सांगलेले की एनओसी दिता ऑन दे आर एश्युरन्स आय हॅड गॉन अहेड द टेंडर आतां 29 ओपन आसलें हांव एक्चुअली कॅन्सल करूंक सोदतालो ते टेंडर बट फॉर्च्युनेटली दे हॅव प्रिवेल्ड मायकल बाब हॅज इंटरव्यून all other punch members and they have prevailed. Luke has prevailed on him and they have come and given a consent to acquire the land at the rate of 2,000 rupees per square meter, which we have agreed and we are going in the possession. But that will happen one side. Money is not important for them, but for them the substation is important as per the Komunidad and as per the Panchayat, as per Michael Bab. One side the money will come of the Komunidad, whatever is agreed. And एक साइडीन आमी 29 ओपन करून कलांगूट जो इतलो वर्साचो प्रॉब्लम जातालो त्या बेल्टाक आमी न्यू ट्रान्सफॉर्मर सबस्टेशन घालता ऑफ 33/11 विथ दॅट देर वील बी लॉट ऑफ डिफरन्स पूण 33/11 घातला म्हणजे जायना वेल्ला काणका तिंगा लायन उरपाची ना आनी खंय लायन उरपाची ना हेंय मायकल बाबाकान तेंकाय सांगलां की दे हॅव टू सी बट ऑन एश्युरन्स दॅट एवरीथींग वील बी सिस्टमॅटीक बाय एंड ऑफ दीस इयर द सबस्टेशन वील एटलीस्ट द बिल्डिंग वील बी एंड ऑफ सॉरी नॉट दीस इयर एंड ऑफ एप्रिल beginning of May the substation will be erected. We will come to know. That is where we are doing. Tender काढला तितून 9 जाणांनी they have shown interest. Final L1 bidder आम्ही we don't know who it is. So I have told them that we will meet on the 9th of December again, where I'll give them in writing that this is way, this is the आमचो benchmark, these are the ways we are going to forward, and this is the completion stage. And I will personally monitor this area to see that the area of Michael Bab and all other people of Kalangut, Sikeri, Kandoli, problem of electricity is over once and for all. 22 crores has been tendered for. 22 crores has been tendered for, but we will come to know when the L1 comes. The L1 opening is on 29th. Unless everything falls in place, 9 people have shown inclination for taking the tender. But 29 open जाल्यार कितले जाणांक पडला कोणाक पडला ते कळटले. So that is the time I will discuss with the contractor and 8 तारखे पोतून घातले.
पावर सबस्टेशन कालांगूट पावर फ्लक्च्युएशन जातालें आनी आमकां रिक्वेस्ट केले स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान पावर डिपार्टमेंट रिक्वेस्टिंग फॉर अ एरिया ऑफ 29,000 फर्स्ट देन दे रिड्यूस टू 14 and now they have reduced it to 5,200 square meter.
No, 5,750.
No, 5,000. So
5,750.
what we have done is we have given them NOC as per that agreed rate what they have offered us, and we want the situation of Kalangut power supply to increase. So thinking the difficulties faced by the villagers, so we thought like it is advisable that we should not waste time and we should go ahead and give them the NOC. And since Michael also has promised us that during garbage time they had promised us for a hall, multi-complex hall. In turn, when we gave them about 1,13,000 square meter of land, so assurance is given by the minister, Mr. Michael Lobo, that they will also help us in that. So we have agreed for that price what is been offered for this substation.
सबस्टेशनचं लोकेशन किती आहे तुमचं?
For a location near that Bodko junction. Originally they had asked for 29,000 square meter. Now they have drastically reduced to 5,170 square meter. 750 square meter. 5,750 exact.
750.
Entire land is of the Komunidad.
Yes, entire land is. And previously also the 29,000 entire was of Komunidad. So we are happy also to give this reduced land.
2,000 per square meter.
Yes, actually it is not 2, it is 4, but they were sub-tenanted also. So we are getting full 20. So it is as per the act also.
Long discussions and debates in the AGM of Komunidad of Kalangut. Finally they have agreed, and I am very happy and thankful to Bab Anthony, Bab Pirish, who is the president, and also the sub-cultivators. म्हणजे थिंगा sub-cultivators या दोग जाण कितें तरी तेंचें नांव बॉनी एकटो आनी एकलो जायलो म्हणून तेंकां आमी उपकारी आहा की तेणी इमिडिएटली लोकां खातीर हें एग्री जालें की जावचें म्हणून सबस्टेशन. Bab Anthony has gone out of the way, in spite of some people from the Komunidad opposing it, that they should get the right price. So he agreed for 2,000 rupees a square meter. And 5,750 square meters is given to the government today, handed over the NOC, so that money is paid to them and the work can be started. Tender is already floated. It will be opened one of these days, in the next 3 or 4 days. 22 crores worth work of substation will start in this coastal belt. But आख्खे बार्देजाचे आयज प्रॉब्लेम जाल्ले आहा. जे थिवी आमचे मेन स्टेशन आहा ते ओवरलोड जाल्ले आनी थिंगासोर 40 MVAचो जो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आहा तो अपग्रेड जावन 50चो नाल्यार 60चो जावपाक जाय आनी तेजे उपरांत आमकां लोड येतलो. आयज अंजुना वागातोर शापोरा सेम प्रॉब्लेम जे आमकां कलंगूट फेस जाता ते थिंगा वेल्ला काणका पार्रा गिरी सालिगांव जाल्यार व्हेरी बॅड जाल्ले आमचे भाशेन कलंगूट कांदोली भाशेन आरपोरा नागोवा. सो एंटायर बार्देजान इतली वर्सां पावर डिपार्टमेंटान हॅड मेड अ नेल्सन सायज म्हणजे पळयत नासले ते.
आता हे सबस्टेशन झाले ना खंयचे बेनिफिट जाता एरिया
हे सब स्टेशन इज फॉर कलंगूट बट अपग्रेडेशन फॉर एंटायर बार्देज इज अ न्यू सबस्टेशन इन सालिगांव पॉवर हाऊस म्हणटा तेका. सो 220/110 ही this is for Kalangut.
No, what is the capacity?
Yeah.
Substation.
This is
33.
33 kVA line which will come here. But what we want is 220 line, a new substation, a big powerhouse for Bardez. Tinga Saligaon constituency asu, Porori asu. It is a long this thing.
Saligaon, I think tender was floated and
Tender was floated for 180 crores. So they are born like a single tender allo. Fortune they are trying to revisit it again to do. NABARD has already agreed to give loan for this purpose because it can be recovered within 5 years. The money which is being spent can be recovered in 5 years. So we want government to take loan for this purpose, that is electricity, improvement of electricity in coastal belt of Bardez and other areas, so that money can be easily recovered because commercial consumers are ready to pay. Today we are spending so much of money. 8 hours a day generator is on. This are all hotels are starting generator 8 hours a day. So the air is actually polluted in this coastal belt, right from Kandolim, Shinkerim, Kalangut, Baga, Arpora. 8 hours a day generator on every hotel, every guest house, every restaurant.
It costs 15,000 I think, but
So it is very expensive, very, very expensive. It is costing us 7 times the price. If electricity is charging us, say, 5 rupees, here it is costing 35 rupees generator. So, and plus it is giving pollution, very bad smell in there. Touristank त्रास जाता. म्हाका दिसता जाता तितले बेगीन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रॉब्लम ऑफ बार्देज हॅज टू बी सॉल्व. ते खातीर आतां आमी मिटींग चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन करून येयल्या. वी आर कम फ्रॉम चीफ मिनिस्टर ओवर हियर.